Your forecast first for tonight, mostly clear and smoky, 66 for an overnight low. Hot, sunny and smoky again tomorrow with a high of 96. I only have about one more forecast to say that, and then we'll be done for a while. 94, our high so far today, almost 10 degrees above average. Right now it's 93 in Spokane and 92 degrees in Coeur d'Alene. Fire weather watch for Saturday for the area shaded in brown on your screen, the Okanagan, Columbia Basin, heading into southeastern Washington for the potential of dry lightning and gusty winds through Sunday. In the short term, our ridge of high pressure is still in place. This next graphic has our air quality index and the jet stream on. See how that is going to be impacted. Right now, we're in that northwesterly flow that's just letting that wildfire smoke pour in from Canada, and our air quality is suffering as a result. As we go through the next 24 hours, more smoke Friday, more smoke Saturday, and then as we get into Monday, we get more of a westerly flow, a southwesterly flow, and look at our air quality. We are in the good range by Monday morning, and it looks like that's where we're going to stay for a while. Overnight lows tonight will be in the 50s and 60s. Highs tomorrow, once again, in the 90s in many locations. Your 7-day forecast does include a chance of showers and thunderstorms late Saturday and into the overnight hours, possibly lingering on Sunday. Not a lot of rain to come with these showers and thunderstorms, and the concern of new fire starts is there, but once that system passes, we're left with cleaner air and a little bit cooler weather.
Boy, that is going to be a nice change. Thank you, Kris. Just learned something new about Kris Crocker, who doesn't like fish, but will eat tuna fish. There you go. Good for you.
It's been years, but
that's where it all begins. We just got to branch out now.
Maybe, okay. I will work on that. That was so much rather talk about dinner than air quality, but the news is actually finally improving.
Good,
and I got to tell you, I've had enough of this smoke. I'm sure you're the same. Here's our current air quality in Spokane. We were in the unhealthy range just in the last hour, but now we're at the very extreme end of the unhealthy for sensitive groups. I think all of us are in the sensitive group category after more than a week of that smoke around the region. Here's a look now at our current smoke situation across the region. Most of us in the moderate or thick range. Thick around the Omak area right now as we are bringing in smoke from British Columbia, but a lot of this smoke is coming from the Diamond Creek fire into the Okanagan Highlands and Valleys. Here is a look at our air quality index. This is starting out Friday morning, and it does not look good. We are in that moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups range throughout the inland northwest. And as you can see, what I also have on here are the upper level winds, and they are still from the northwest as we are on the eastern flank of a ridge of high pressure. Go through the next 24 hours, and through Saturday, we are still going to be in that moderate to unhealthy range. Here's Saturday morning at 9 o'clock. But we're starting to see a southwesterly flow developing. Here is Sunday at 9 o'clock. Still some wildfire smoke, but we're seeing those southwesterly winds pick up, and that is pushing that wildfire smoke to the north and west until finally through the day on Sunday, we are in the green, which is good. Green, good. And that is where it's going to stay through the beginning of the week and beyond. Satellite and radar right now, we are still under that ridge of high pressure right on the eastern edge on the storm track, bringing disturbances down into the mountains of western Montana, where we're finding the showers and thunderstorms right now. In Spokane, presently 93. There's our 14th consecutive day of 90 degrees or higher, and that ties the record. We'll break it tomorrow. 91 in Coeur d'Alene right now. Here is a look at our national satellite and radar. Some severe weather popping up on the Oklahoma-Texas border. Severe thunderstorm warning through the central plains. Highs across the nation today, starting to warm up in spots that were in the 70s, still a couple 70s, Minot and Minneapolis. Oh, and Pittsburgh too at 78. Seattle 90 degrees for a high, 88 in Portland. It was 95 today in Boise. Here is your 7-day forecast. Hot and smoky on Friday. Saturday, we start to see some changes. I should mention that along with that southwesterly flow and the cold front that's going to drop our temperatures, we bring in the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Unfortunately, that may be dry thunderstorms. The odds of getting any precipitation out of this system do not look especially good. So we'll hold our breath starting Saturday night and into Sunday that we do not get any new fire starts. And if that's the case, we can all sort of breathe a sigh of relief on Monday with some cooler, fresher air.
Let's, just as we get that relief, we don't need any new start.